Basically, the main reason that we implemented the Klau PPK is it's a very condensed package that we're able to bring to the sites without carrying extra tripods, extra rovers, base stations. It basically all comes in your drone package, self-contained. It's very user-friendly, and the accuracy that we're pulling off of these drones is very repeatable. We can do the same flight and get the same accuracy time and time again. Whereas with our rovers, when we were getting ground control, sometimes we would have some inaccuracies in gathering that rover data for our ground control. And so the Klau PPK has allowed us to use a simple system that's very accurate and very reliable. Minimal setup time when we come out to the project. We can collect all the data within 15, 20 minutes, get it uploaded, and then it's back to the drills. And within a couple hours, we actually can be drilling holes from the time that we show up to the site. The PPK seems to be bringing better imagery when we're looking at it versus the RTK imagery that we would get. We don't seem to have areas where we don't capture the imagery. It's very consistent. The other nice part about using the Strayos and Klau PPK is when we gather the information and we send the Klau PPK data to Strayos and the imagery to Strayos, they collect all the data, they process it, and there's very little user interface once we've collected the data. So that's been very helpful for us. And once all the data's processed in Strayos, we build our drill plans and we're able to email that out to the drills, the smart drills, or to the rovers for the not so smart drills that we have. It's just Strayos has basically worked with Klau and the systems that we work with, Epiroc and Trimble, to have a pretty seamless export process back out to the field. And then one of the other benefits that we've seen, like on areas that we're trying to access that are difficult for people to climb around with a rover and get ground control points, with the Klau PPK, we can get the ground control down below and we can fly the rover, and we don't need to have multiple ground control points throughout the project site. We can actually get the ground control from where we launch the drone, and we're not putting people up on multiple benches trying to gather the ground control. So those are some of the benefits that we've seen, and